So here are all the ingredients which I am going to use today for making Gujiya. Starting with refined flour, semolina, cardamom powder, designated coconut, rose water, sugar, some salt, ghee, some dry fruits and khoya which I have made at home. Let's start by preparing a dough. In a bowl I am adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter, followed by a pinch of salt and few drops of rose water. Let's mix everything together to form a breadcrumb-like texture. I will be adding water slowly to knead the dough until it is firm and tight. The dough is ready now. Cover this with a damp cloth and let it rest for half an hour or 1 hour. Take 2 teaspoons of melted ghee with 2 tablespoons of semolina. Give it a good mix and roast until it turns light golden brown. I am transferring the mixture into a bowl. In the same pan, I have added 1 tablespoon of ghee. Let's add the dry fruits now. I have taken pistachios, cashews and almonds. Giving it a mix till they turn light golden brown. Transfer it and let them cool down. Mixing the khoya again so there are no lumps. For the stuffing, take a big bowl adding up khoya and semolina, pinch of cardamom powder, crushed dry fruits, grated coconut. I'm using jaggery instead of sugar. Mix everything together. Dough is also set now. Divide the dough into equal parts. I'm taking a small section of it and making a rounder. We have to roll it out. Using a spoon, fill 1 to 2 teaspoons of stuffing. Add the water on the edges to seal it. Start pinching from one point and then from the other point. Now from this point to that point you have to make them meet. Seal it once again. Without using a mold, I'm using a fork to give them a design. All my Gujiyas are ready for final step. Once the oil is medium hot, put the Gujiyas. Fry them till light golden color.
Our Holi special Gujiyas are ready.